Good morning from Cape Town. I'm Angela Collins from Angela Collins Yachts. Today I'm going to talk about the Tosca 39 Center Cockpit Cruising Monohull. The Tosca 39 is a Lavranis design, a very sound design from the late 1980s. It was produced by a builder in Cape Town for many years until he passed away. We came across the molds 2 years ago, and now we've set up a factory in Gordons Bay to produce 1 or 2 boats a year. The Tosca 39 is quite different from many modern designs. Today you'll often see large aft cockpits, double wheels, and as many cabins as possible. The Tosca is different. She's a 39-foot center cockpit yacht, and this is a very important feature. The center cockpit offers excellent safety and comfort, particularly for long-distance cruising. This layout also allows for a proper aft cabin, which is one of the key features of the Tosca 39, and something that really needs to be emphasized. This is not a design that dates. Although it was originally designed in the 1980s, it remains highly desirable today for sailors looking for a comfortable, capable cruising yacht with a good turn of speed. She features a sugar scoop stern, a 3/4 keel which provides stability, and a skeg-hung rudder, offering protection should you encounter floating objects at sea. She's also very beamy, extremely spacious below, and able to carry a proper cruising load. This is a boat that should be seriously considered by anyone looking to invest in a new yacht with a modern interior, built on a proven and capable design. So please contact me, Angela Collins, if you would like to know more about the Tosca 39.